Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your debit card to your PayPal account. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you're logged into your PayPal account and on the main menu of PayPal, just like I am here, what you need to do is click on Wallet next to Send a Request on this blue bar right here. Once you've clicked on it, it should take you to a menu looking similar to this, and you need to click on Link a Card. Once you've clicked on Link a Card, it's going to ask for your debit card number, the type of card that you have, expiration date, security code, billing address, and you need to fill all those informations up, and then just click link card, and the card that you just linked should appear right around here. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's really simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.